At Rocky Mountain Restoration, we're all about providing expert guidance and solutions. But there are instances where homeowners may want to give it a shot to fix something themselves, and they don't believe a professional is necessary. In this video, we'll talk about some of the DIY options out there, but why we feel like it might not always be the right solution for you and your home. The first situation is when a homeowner is feeling adventurous. They watch a 5-minute tutorial online and believe that they're ready to fix a simple leaky pipe or clear a blocked drain. Sure, it might be a fun adventure and they might learn something new along the way, but the real adventure begins when an accident turns a small problem into a major disaster. So please keep in mind that a professional's years of experience can't be crammed into a quick tutorial. It's tempting, right? Why pay for a professional when there are less expensive DIY alternatives out there? Remember, it's not always about the upfront cost. It's about the potential savings and avoiding bigger problems down the line. So what seems like a budget-friendly fix now could cost a homeowner much more in the long run if it were not to be done right. And the last situation is if a homeowner just has a lot of time to fix the problem. So let's say that you're okay with spending hours or days fixing that problem. That's perfectly fine. But let's face it, in our busy lives, time is money, and professionals have the tools and the knowledge to get it done efficiently and effectively. So can everybody really afford to redo it over and over until it's right? Now don't get me wrong, I'm all for DIY projects that help you learn and grow. Paint the room, assemble that furniture, plant the garden. But when it comes to potential risks and damages like water issues, it's usually a smarter choice to leave it to the experts. So in essence, sure, you can choose not to use a professional when you're feeling bold and daring. But remember, companies like Rocky Mountain are here for a reason. We've seen it all, and we know how to handle it right the first time. If you enjoyed this slightly cheeky take on DIYer versus professionals, please give this video a thumbs up and share your own DIY mishap stories in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights. Until next time, happy fixing, and remember, choose wisely. Rocky Mountain Restoration is here to help anytime, any day.